In this video, we will show you how to operate your GREENWORKS string trimmer. This guide can be followed for our 24-volt string trimmer model 2117702 and 2117802. Be advised, your unit may look slightly different, however, these instructions still apply. Warning: this video is not a substitute for reading the operator manual. For more detailed instructions and safety warnings, consult the operator manual provided. Let's get started. Keep hands and feet away from the trimmer head. Check that there are no people, pets, or loose objects nearby. Thrown objects can ricochet and result in personal injury or property damage. Wear gloves and eye protection when operating. Protective clothing and boots are also recommended. If you purchased a complete kit, including a battery and a charger, please be advised that batteries are not shipped fully charged. It is recommended to fully charge each battery before use to ensure that the maximum runtime can be achieved. Before starting any string trimmer, the power source must be connected. The lockout switch is on the top of the handle. It must be fully pulled back before the motor can be started. The trigger is underneath the handle. Pull back on the lockout switch. While holding the lockout switch, pull the trigger. To stop the unit, release the trigger. This machine has an auto-feed trimmer head. The cutting line can be advanced by running the trimmer and releasing the trigger. Wait 2 seconds and pull the trigger again. The line will advance 1/4 inch each time. To prevent excess line from feeding, avoid repeatedly pressing and releasing the trigger during operation. Batteries should be stored indoors and away from any heat sources. Charge the batteries at room temperature and out of direct sunlight. If the battery is hot, allow it to cool down before recharging. Once the batteries are charged, unplug the charger. The batteries can stay on the charger, but it's better to remove them and store them separately. During the off-season, it's best to store the batteries fully charged. Keep the charger clean and clear of debris. If necessary, wipe the charger clean with a dry cloth. Do not use solvents or water. To learn more about your unit, including proper assembly and maintenance, visit the GREENWORKS Tools YouTube channel. Properly maintained, your GREENWORKS string trimmer will provide you with years of great service. If you have any difficulties or need replacement parts, contact us at greenworkstools.com.